I've chosen this LMS technology for my online survey for environmental science students in third year to look at their career confidence before and after completing a course using a closed, institutionally supported LMS called the Learning Environment Online, which is run through the university and designed by the university. I did look at the advantages and disadvantages and the risks associated with this type of online system. I think it's an LMS system that can capture data and record this data for the course teachers that are in the course, and McIntyre and Mirihari in 2015 outlined that as a key benefit of institutionally supported technologies, LMS systems over open source can record and keep this data. So as there's a time lag for the before and after aspects of the course, so the before workshop being run in week 3 and then and after being run in week 9 of the course, I felt that it was important that the data was going to be able to be managed between the two weeks of the course. As a closed university-supported LMS, it is a useful vehicle for gathering information from students. As McIntyre summarises in Module 2, the tracking and collation of data can be synchronised with university marking and admin systems, and things such as being able to tell students when things are due to start their survey, being able to link it in and show them that it's a requirement within other tasks that need to be completed, and being able to put this in the unit outline for students so that they are then aware that they must complete this task as part of their assessment. So you can see that that's something that students are reminded of that they need to have submitted. I'm just trying to find an example of that. Anyway, it's in their course unit outline. Some of the risks of the system, though, is that it is a little bit clunky, and you certainly can see from the design that the design of the survey is not really that attractive. So I understand that some students may find that they're less engaged with it because it is quite a bland survey. Student interactivity may be reduced, and they also will require some specific training perhaps to set up the LMS, and also for myself to set this up. I had to do about 4 hours of workshops within the university. So you can see it's a very kind of bland system. I do feel that that risk is mitigated because students are in third year. Many of them are familiar with this learning environment online, and so I don't feel that for this specific course there'd be an issue, and I also feel that they can access this system when they are on the university campus, and they have open access to this system from home as well. A further issue I found in the course is looking at linking students to the professional world, and I guess the course has a number of units in it where lecturers and guest lecturers come on site to talk to students. Certainly throughout the course in various weeks they are given an opportunity to have people coming to talk to students. So here in week 5 an individual is going to talk to students about pursuing a career in ecological consultancy, etc. And I guess just looking at, as McIntyre and Mirihari suggest, external guests might not be set up through the LMS to be able to link into this, so it may give a little bit of a clunkiness or disjointness to their ability to engage with the course. So it is a challenge. These people will be coming on site live, so I do think that that will help with that issue, and information can be posted up here. However, the person who's coming as the guest may have trouble accessing it. Interestingly, McGrath notes in a large collection of essays, which I read one of, which is edited by Iyoshi and Kumar, which is one of the suggested readings for 2008. So Iyoshi and Kumar talk about McGrath, include an article by McGrath who talks about open technologies and how we need to temper our view of open technology to ensure it is principled open technology and not just open for open's sake. So I agree that this is important, and in mind of developing resources here that ensure students can meet and achieve the unit learning outcomes, I do feel that the LMS I've selected is the most appropriate one to use in this example. And I think I would support the use of open technology for other parts of the course.